I got your friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween swap reveal. Pretty sure this is either it's the loaded clipboard slash or loaded plate swap, because I think Sheryl joined both of them, and this is a bigger box than the other one. So I think the other one is the mini album. But she's got everything in one of these like baking tote pocket container things, and this thing is heavy. She's got a lot of stuff in it. She's got one with my name on it. Thank you so much, Sheryl. You definitely don't have to do that. And I was so excited to see your name. You spell your name exactly like my mom does, and usually Sheryl is not spelled that way. So she's she's loaded this up. But I'm gonna grab this in the back because I think that this is her clipboard. I'm gonna have to take some stuff off. There we go. She's got everything packaged so nicely. Ooh, love this string. See that. No, this is her mini album. Okay, she's just got a whole bunch of extra stuff in here. Because this is mini album. I thought it was the other one. Here is her mini album. I'm gonna, hold on. We're gonna have to edit that out because she's got, I think a possible phone number on here, but she's even got, look at, she's got bling on here. She's got a little dangle here. This is so cute. I love it, this rosette. Is it magnetic? Okay, sometimes magnetic can be kind of strong. I'm loving the black and gold. This is really cool. All right, so we're gonna go to the first flap first. Put this stuff aside so I have room. My desk is a mess. There's not room. Right here, she's got this belly band, and she's got a few like journaling spots that are paper clipped together. This is a cute collection. I don't know what a paper collection this is, but it's really cute. So she kind of had it like mismatchy type of. There we go. But yeah, she's got it in this blinged out belly band. It's like a glitzy Halloween. I love it. And it's got this like double door. So you have this flap that you can put pictures, journaling, whatever. And then this flap as well. Inside she's got more goodies. Girl, look at these cute little buttons. Love a good button. These are so cute on little Halloween totes. And then in here, she's got some more like journaling bits or decor bits, however you want to use them. But this is a cute paper pad. I really like this. I like this a lot. I'm loving this gold and black together. It's like sophisticated Halloween. Elegant Halloween. I'm trying to think of the words I want to use to describe it, but it's really cute. Put those back in, and then we'll go to the center, and the center is a flip up like this, and this is a pocket. So in here she's got like a little mini journal, and she's got the pages stamped. Well, not all of them, but she's got some pages stamped. Oh, that is so cute. I love a cute little bat. So cute. So you could do memories, a whole bunch of journaling, whatever. And then she's got this waterfall here. All right, and that doesn't come out. Okay, I just want to make sure that it's being all seen the right way. What a cute album. Oh, I love it. Like I said, the gold and the black together is just stunning. So that's one thing in here. There's multiple things in here. And the same thing is for her swap. She's got them both in the thing, and they're just chock full of stuff. So in here, oh, it's like it's a little tea light, and it's a little pumpkin. This is cute. So you can put a tea light in here, or you could put a taper in there, or you could put like a votive. But that's cute. She's got a little bow. What else do you have in here? She's loaded this up. Sheryl. She's got just some extra goodies. Look at are these like, I think these are highlight markers? They are markers. How cute are these? I don't think I've ever seen these. I've seen stackable markers like this, but I don't think I've seen, I think that's like a little mouse some cheese. Cute. She's got a little lotion in here. I love putting these in my bag. They're always good to have. She's done a sweet treat, but no chocolate. She was smart. These are the candy apple Werther's. These are so good. The caramel apple, not candy apple, sorry. And then she's got, ooh, look at these. This goes with that collection. So I'm wondering if this went together and it's just an older collection. I love pulling out old collections that you haven't seen in a bit because it's like a new collection because nobody's seen it. You know what I mean? Because I think this is from 2016, but this gold and black and like white together is so pretty. So pretty. And then she still has a whole bunch of other goodies in here. She's got this. Oh, look at this. This is cute. It's not Sanrio, but it's kind of Sanrio-ish. Look at that. That is so cute. They're little circus animals. Stinking adorable. Who doesn't love a good little circus scene? That is neat. Love seeing new things. She's got some cute little pumpkin earrings. These are cute. They're wood. Those are adorable. I'm trying to spend too much time. She's got so much stuff in here. She's got some stickers. These are cute. Oh, I think she's made these stickers on her Cricut. Cute. It's got some fuzz in there from the other stuff in here. I love these little pastel Halloween stickers. These are really cute. I know a few people that would love them. And then she's got a sequin mix in here. And then she's just, it's like never ending. Oh, she's put both of them in here. How cute. So these are like little double sets. And these actually smell really good. I really like them, especially the dragon fruit lychee. So good. And then, all right, let's pull out some of the stuffing because there's all kinds of stuff in here. There's more stickers. We have a little felt ghosty. She's cute. She can go sit in the little tea light. And then she's got a little marshmallow. I like to put these in my hot chocolate just to add a little sweetness to it. And we have some, champagne toast hand sanitizer. Always need hand sanitizer. She's just got so much stuff in here. Oops, I'm sorry. Talking to the camera like, you know, sorry I touched you. I bumped you. She's got these cute little rosettes with a little ghosty charm on there. She's got more stickers. Oh, she's got a little card in here. She says, Lacey, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. This is all stamped. This is really cute. Says, thank you for hosting and allowing me to join your swap. I love Sheryl. In parentheses, Beanie. So this must be her little nickname. Cute. All right, I know that there's stuff in here. I can feel it. Okay. I just want to make sure that I'm showing everything. She's got this cute little keychain that she's got transfers on. Have a cute little lip balm. Coconut is the best, in my opinion. I know not everybody. She's just got some little die cuts in here. I don't know if they fell out of something or if they're just like little, you know, filler. I'm not quite sure. More stickers. All right, is that all? Oh no, she's got a keychain in here. Okay, there's like they're shredded in here, and there's little spiders in here. There's all kinds of stuff. And then she's got this keychain that she's made as well. Let's straighten this one back out. She's got Spooky. Look at the little cat. And then she's got Boo, and she's got a little ghost. And then look at these beads. These are pretty. Such a pretty swap. Thank you so much, Sheryl. It's nice getting to know you because this is my first crafty interaction with her. And she's in my other swap as well. I think she sent both swaps in. Pretty sure. I've seen her name twice. So make sure you give her some crafty love. I'm going to link her down below. But I am loving this gold, black, and white. This is like elegant Halloween, and I am here for it. So yes, please go give her some crafty love and stay tuned for the next reveal. Bye guys.